Hey y'all, welcome back to Griddle Grub. And today we're going to be doing some brats on the Blackstone. I got a few different brats here, just some simple toppings to go on. And yeah, we're going to get in, check these ingredients, and get the cook started. All right, so here's the brats we got right here. We got a taco brat, a buffalo brat, regular cheddar cheese brat, and a jalapeno kicker brat. And then over here we got a little bit of some onion. That's just one medium-sized sweet onion. We just got some seasonings for it, nothing big on that. And yeah, that's all we're gonna need on this. So let's get this cook going. So let's get this, I got the oil down. We just use olive oil to cook with. I season with my peanut oil, but yeah, let's get that spread around. All right, we're gonna throw these brats on first. Here we go, we got the kicker. Let that go, we got the cheddar, buffalo, and the taco. I'm real excited about that taco. I think it's gonna be amazing. So I'm just gonna let them go, let them get nice and good, and then I'm gonna throw some onion on, and we'll get that going. All right, so these have been cooking for a few. Let's give them a flip. Oh yeah, look at that color. See that color coming in? That looks good. There we go. Oh man, whew. These are gonna be good. All right, well yeah, I'm just gonna let them cook a little bit more before I throw these onions on, and we're just about there. All right, let's get these onions on here now. We got some butter in there. Yeah, buddy. Alright, get that butter in here. Alright, just leave that. Let's throw some of this on here. We got a little garlic salt and a little cayenne pepper. That'll be good. Alright. Ooh, man, some good flavors coming off this. I can smell it. Oh, yes. Alright, let's just let them cook down. Just let them go. That will be just fine. Let's give these a quick little flip. Oh yeah. These can go a little longer on that side. Let me move them down over here where it's a little bit hotter. All right. All right, let's see how we're looking here. Oh yeah, I think we're just about done. There we go. This is the buffalo. Yeah, that looks good. The cheddar. The kicker, oh yeah. Got a little thing here, get that off. All right, the onions. These are done. These are looking nice and delicious. Got a serrano here, that's looking good too. All right, I'm gonna plate the stuff up, show you what we got. All right, so let's dive in and try this thing now. Ooh. Now these brats, they come from a place in Aurora called War's Kitchen. Unbelievable. They've been there for over 100 years. It's amazing, amazing food. They get great cuts of meat. My mouth's watering. So let's Hot. Those fried onions, perfect. They're not too soggy. They're not all, raw with that crunch, but just right. And I just put mustard on mine. That's just how I do it. But yeah, you can taste the like taco type seasoning they got in here. I don't know what that might be, cilantro or something. I don't know. But that's super good. So, all right, that's all I got. I'm gonna eat my lunch, y'all. I appreciate you coming by. Like and subscribe. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. Thank you.